Just do it.
I know, but I'm afraid I won't be able to come back.
Leap off real quick.
No, go up some.
Wrap your legs on the stick. Push off.
Just go a little bit. Hold on. You gotta go far.
Oh, Macy's water is up. If I have to come up here, don't even get my boobs in.
That's deep as fuck though. Up to your boobs.
I know.
Trish is ready for the moment. Trish is ready to catch it.
What do you call it?
Trish is ready to catch it. She's in action.
Just do it. You're only gonna. It's up to your knees, not even to your boobs. Look.
Push off real hard and you'll come right back.
I know, but I'm going to go grip on this thing.
You make it out
No,
far enough,
you
push
ain't
off
going.
the tree. Do it, do it. Go, Jen, go. Go, Jen, go. Do it, do it.
I'll never
Go,
get
Jen,
back.
go.
I'll never
Go,
get
Jen.
back.
Go, Jen, go. Here, I'll come out here and try to catch you.
I'm gonna have to
Mason,
I'm gonna have to literally, I'm not worried about that. I'm not worried about pulling my fat ass up with my arms. I'll be here to catch you. I get halfway.
You're only 127. That ain't a lot to hold.
I'll be here to catch you.
Just go slow.
Just go.
I'm trying to.
I'm going to come push you.
I told you it wasn't gonna work. Mace was coming to save me.
You gonna do it?
Oh my god. Look at my toe.
Oh, you took a chunk of that.
Let me see.
Whole nail and my toe.
At least it's still pink.
Yeah, I'm 1.5. I can't.
Fat old woman.
You want me to do up? I got it now. I'm used to it. Actually, it feels really good. Bobo.
No, man, you can't go that far.
God damn. Exactly.
Where are you going?
My big toe right now. That's why it's not hurting.
Go on.
I hear a car.
Hope they see my car.
Swing, now you can swing like this easily.
If you wanted to land.
Where are you gonna land? Into the tree? I mean, that's kind of unsafe.
No, you come back. Right in the middle of the water because it's going to be dragging.
Oh, you gotta come back? You should be able to just fall off.
Straight Bear Grylls shit. Man versus wild. Watch my ass go right across the bottom of the water.
Tarzan and Jane.
You guys should do it?
Yeah.
Go, Jane.
What's gonna happen? You're gonna skip like a rock. You gonna go again?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it right this time. Because my butt's wet. Well, honey? Okay.
Look at the fog lifting in on us while we're here.
Supposed to do that.
Oh, shit!
I told you it wasn't going to work out that way.
Give the cord to Bo. Give the rope to Bo.
Oh, I can't do it.
Yeah, bro, you can.
You do it, Mason. Look, it ain't over your head. See where Mom's at? You're taller than her butt.
Hey, actually, the water's warm. You can get used to the water.
That been the day y'all got here, we should have came here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not nice, dude.
It's not meant to swing on.
You gotta put your legs up there.
I can't. I would have to literally sit on this thing.
That's what I'm saying.
You gonna save me?
Put Mason on the rope.
See, I don't think I mean, I like that. I'm gonna go this high in the air. It's not gonna happen. This thing is meant for you to get a long run and just jump in the middle.
Go do it.
20 feet deep over there.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You're shitting.
No. That drops off right there. You can see the dark green.
Yeah.
That's where it gets so deep.
Oh, no, you just like you're drowning.
Oh, you don't know how to swim?
Yep, I
Oh.
do.
Yeah, I do.
Just go for the gusto and drop it. Drop it like that.
Do something.
Leap up when you go. Push up on your feet and just leap. Pull them up like a frog.
I know, but still I can't go that high. My body doesn't bend the 90-degree angle. So long.
That's too big, Nanny. Put it down. Put it down.
I'm done. I can't bear to pull his pants up when they're heavy as hell.